Hi everyone, I'm glad you're here for another Tech Tuesday tip. In the past few episodes, we've been building a practical approach to AI in language instruction, starting with clear objectives and shaping the output into ready-to-use classroom materials. Today, we're going to apply that same framework to reading instruction and add one more practical tip. Have you ever found the perfect authentic text great topic, strong content, but it's just a little too hard for your students? Maybe the vocabulary was too advanced. Maybe the sentences were too long. Maybe you think this would work if it were just a little simpler. So you face a choice: spend time rewriting it yourself or set it aside and look for something easier. This is where AI can help. Let's begin with a learning objective. Students will identify the main idea and supporting details in a short informational text. For this example, I'm using a short paragraph about the impact of social media. This is the kind of text you might find in an article. It has a great topic, clear main ideas, and supporting details. But the vocabulary and sentence structure may be a bit challenging if your students are at lower proficiency level. Instead of rewriting it ourselves, let's use AI to adapt it while keeping the main ideas intact. Here's the prompt I'm going to use. Rewrite this text for low-intermediate students. Keep the main ideas the same. Simplify vocabulary and shorten complex sentences. Let's run it. Now, as we skim the revised version, you'll notice it looks shorter. Let's take a closer look at what changed. The adopted version uses simpler, more common vocabulary. The sentences are shorter and easier to read. The ideas are expressed more directly, but the core message stays the same. The main idea is still clear. The supporting details are still there. Now, from there, we can take it one step further by adding activities to match our objectives. As we discussed in previous episodes, give AI a clear prompt, such as create 4 short answer comprehension questions based on this adapted text. Focus on main idea and supporting details. Include an answer key at the end. In just a few steps, we've adapted the text and built a complete reading activity around it. Here's your 1-minute challenge. Choose an authentic reading text for an upcoming lesson. Use an AI tool to rewrite it at a lower proficiency level. Then compare the original and adapted versions. Thanks for joining me for this Tech Tuesday tip. I'll see you in the next one.